So welcome to today's video. I'm going to give you guys a full tutorial of the Kia Pegas, all the buttons that are on the dashboard. We're going to go over each one, and hopefully this is a good guide if you are planning on buying this car or if you've just bought this car and you want to know what all the buttons do. So we're going to start from the left side. We're going to move all the way over to the right. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below and I will do my best to get back to you. So starting from here, this scroll wheel is to adjust the height of the lights. The number represents a different level of the light, and as you change it, the light kind of dips like this. So set the angle of the light that you want. I just keep it at 1. Over here, it's to control the side mirrors. So if you want to adjust the left mirror, flick this switch over to the left and then start adjusting the mirror by pressing these buttons, and you can see that it is adjusting. And then over here on the right, flick it over to the right and then you can do the right mirror like so. This button at the top is to reset the warning for the low air pressure in the tires. This button is to turn off traction control. So if you're stuck in snow or mud, for example, so you would turn off traction control by pressing this button. Over here is the lever to open the front bonnet. At the bottom here, we have the lever to open the boot. And over here, we have the lever to open the fuel door. And now we're onto the steering wheel here. So the left stalk here is the control for the lights. So by twisting this portion of the left stalk, you can turn on the front lights. You can turn on the rear fog lights by twisting this portion of the left stalk like so. If you want to flash the car in front, pull the left stalk towards you. If you want to turn on your full beams, just push this stalk away from you and your full beams will remain on. Over here, we can mute the audio. We can change the audio source, like from FM to AM to DAB to Bluetooth, by pressing this button. This switch here is for the volume, so push it upwards to increase the volume, push it downwards to decrease the volume, and you can change radio station or change track by pressing this up and down switch here. If you want to start making calls, you would press this button and your contacts should show up on the screen here. If you want to hang up, let's say you're in a call, you would just press this button. This is the button for cruise control. Again, just press this button and then flick this switch down to set, and then that will set cruise control. You can cancel it by pressing this button. Over here, so you can control the wipers with this. Just move this switch downwards if you want to increase the speed of the wipers. If you want to wash the front screen, you would pull this stalk towards you. And now we're here on the central control, so you can make alterations to the radio by pressing this button. You can switch to AM to FM like so. This button here is for voice commands, so when your phone is connected, you can use this button for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This is to kind of go onto your phone menu, so by pressing phone you can make changes, like you can select your phone, you can connect to Bluetooth that way if it's not already connected. When you press setup, there are more settings that you can change, like date and time, language, system settings as well. If you want to see the kind of software that's present in your car, if you want to view your manual, it gives you a QR code there which you can then scan. This control here is for the volume, so you would twist it to increase or decrease the volume, or you can press it to mute the volume. Over here we have the controls for the AC. So there are various settings for the fan, so it can either just come out into the air, it could be towards your body and to your feet, just to your feet, for your feet and for the windshield, and this is also just for the windshield only. This here is to increase the intensity of the fan, so 0 is off and 4 is the max speed, and this is for the temperature. Obviously blue is cold and red is hot. This switch here is for the vents, so if you want the air to recirculate in the car, or if you want fresh air to be coming in from outside. Over here, this is the controls for the windows. So this is for the left side, front and rear. This is for the right side, rear and front. And if you want to lock the windows, it's going to be this button here. So that is pretty much everything for the controls in a Kia Pegas. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.